The top question I get all the time is, how do you start affiliate marketing? I'm gonna give you a step-by-step on how you can start affiliate marketing. But first, I want you to like and save this video so you can come back to it later. All right, let's get into it. Step 1, choose a niche. This is just a topic of interest, anything that you're passionate about. Anything that you can talk for hours with anybody. The top 3 profitable niches are health, wealth, and relationship, because these are what people care about all the time. I'm in the wealth niche. Okay, step 2, applying for affiliate programs. 86% of companies offer an affiliate program. They're on their website and you can sign up for free. And these companies will pay you to share about their products. If you're not sure of what company you want to become an affiliate for, search your niche affiliate program, and it's gonna pull up all these articles, which you can go through and find one. Okay, here's a pro tip. Find one that is at least 30% commission rate. I personally only promote digital products. Why? Because they are more profitable than physical products. They are created one time and you can resell them over and over again. Step 3, setting up your sales funnel and email campaigns. A sales funnel is simply just collecting email addresses. And an email campaign is just emails that you type up one time with your affiliate link inside of them and send them out automatically whenever you want to. This is how you truly make passive income, how you can make money in your sleep. This is what truly automates your business. Now read the captions for step 4 and 5.